I'm always smiling to begin with. And so I started feeling like there was just, I don't know, if you know yourself, you'll be like, okay, there's something that has to change. When I would smile, I felt like they were just too short and I felt uncomfortable. And so that's why I started researching, and then I found Dr. Varipapa. I saw several, but when I saw before and after pictures and I read a lot about him, his biography, I really was intrigued, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna go for it. My smile was just not the way I felt that it should be. It should be, a different look. Doing the veneers that I had done didn't change my features. It just made my smile, I don't know how to explain, maybe complete is the word. When you get veneers, there's no pain behind it. I had no pain whatsoever, or swelling, or so I would say to the people out there that are deciding that want to do veneers, I would say do it. It's worth it. I felt more confident, and that's the thing. It gave me a lot of confidence to just even smile more. I mean, I smile a lot, but it was just a great experience. I've had mine for almost 13 years, and they still shine. They're shiny. They're great. I take care of them because it's a big investment, but I love it. I love it. So I'm very happy with it.